Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about the equation we can use instead of proportion to use in order to solve a problem finding a percent of a number. Now, the first thing I like to do here, and really, as we talked about in the last one, we can do it anytime we have this, is I like to label it. So I'm going to pair my of here. The is actually pairs to the left because the percent belongs to the 24, and the only thing that's left is to the left of is. Now, we have a different equation. Instead of two ratios set equal to each other, what we have is an equation give me a second, that says our part or number, our is, equals of times percent. Now I'm trying to use what we've done before. How the book does it is the A, of is the P, and sorry, of is the W, the whole, and P is percent. I mix them up, sorry. But we can use the same thing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute. I don't know what is, so I'm going to put a variable. I like to use x. Of, we know, is 50. And our percent is not 24, it's 0.24. So when I go to find the answer here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my calculator and I'm going to take 50 times 0.24. I'm going to find out that it's 12. And this is my final answer. So what I can do is I'm asking, what is 24%? Well, here's about 50. Here then would be about 25. So right around here is what I'm looking for. What number is that, or how much of my gauge would be filled at 24%? And that number is 12. Because again, our mental math would say, well, half of 50 is 25. Half of that is 12 and a half, and that would be at our 25%, I forgot which number I was going for, but at 24%, that's what we're looking for, would be 12. And 12 is less than 12 and a half, so that makes sense. But mentally, this would be harder to do. Now, when you get really good at multiplying in your head even larger numbers, you can still do this mentally using this method instead of thinking of it as a scale. If you have any questions, make sure you're emailing those to me. Stay safe out there, guys, and we'll see you next class.